I'm Kolma Zakaria. I'm the co-founder and the team leader, SINA Loketa. At SINA Loketa, we build on the creative capacity of the young refugees and marginalized youth to develop their own social enterprise for their sustainability. We do this through entrepreneurship skill training, live coaching, mentorship on both personal and professional. We enable the youths to realize their passion. We enable the youth to discover themselves. We have reached 900 scholars from 2018 up to today, where we managed to develop 7 enterprises, where 4 enterprises right now has reached to a successful level, where they're able to be self-reliant.
I am by name of Lomore Emmanuel. I'm the CEO of Generous Designs Africa. Generous Designs Africa is a social enterprise that turns disposed plastic waste into high reusable products. We are making school rulers, caps, pegs, sad buttons. And currently our impact is more of communities where we engage the women and then the youths in the waste collection, where they bring to our working space, and then from there we recycle these products to come up with our final products, and then we sell as a source of our revenue to sustain our project and our families. My education at SINA Loketa has currently made me who I am today, because before I didn't believe in myself, I don't know who I am. But when I joined SINA Loketa, at least I'm able to identify my purpose of why I am living and what I have to do. And currently I am very sparkful because I've known what I'm aiming to target, and I know my goals, I know my mission, and I know why I'm existing. Thank you.
I'm Baiga Samuel John, the CEO of Baby Kid Company Limited. Baby Kids make baby warmers to lactating and expecting mothers. The impact that the warmers are giving to the community, it gives warmth to babies that protect them from being affected with pneumonia. We are looking at babies being healthy in their initial stage of deliverance. The impact, the skills, the trainings we got from SINA has really impacted much, particularly on me as an individual, and at the same time as an enterprise.
There is an impact to the community. It means a lot if our youths can get engaged to know, to realize their dream. We have a vision of seeing refugees in Bidibidi refugee camp are self-reliant and are able to contribute to their communities. When war erupted in their home country, everything were distracted and all the dreams have went off. But now we want to awake ourselves back. I want to share this to the world that refugees are not non-productive. Refugees are productive. Only they are lacking the channels, the ways, how best they can reach to the goals. We realize that we are building a big center where we are hosting number of youths and our space, and we need to make sure that their standard of living, their well-being is being catered. So we are looking for resources in terms of funds to cater for their well-being in the center. When they have come to the session, they need feeding. At the same time, also we are looking for means of transport where we can take them out for some outreaches, also to discover some other new things from outside towns.